Hello everyone and welcome to my channel DIY D365. This video is about unboxing my MVP award kit. This is the first video of the year. Everything before this, whatever you've watched, was pre-recorded. So I thought what could be a better way than sharing my MVP award kit with you, and that's why I'm doing this video. Coming up right after the intro. So I've got my award kit with me and I've got a pair of scissors. I received this about a week ago, but I thought I'll not open it. It was very difficult for me not to open it for 7 days. The whole reason was because I wanted to share it with you. It's you because of whom I've received this award. You either subscribe to my channel, my blog, or you've watched videos which I posted. So thank you so much for that. I also wanted to wish you a very happy new year, since this is my first video, and a very happy Australia Day. So let's begin and open it. Okay. Right. Also, I have some idea what would be there because I've watched, like you, I've watched plenty of videos where people are unboxing their MVP award kits. So some idea, but not exactly, and it's always great to see your name on there. I really want to thank Microsoft for recognizing my efforts. So thank you, Microsoft. So it's open. Let's see if I can get it out just like this. Right. Okay, so this is what it says in the front: MVP 2020-2021 from Microsoft. And on the sides it says Microsoft Most Valuable Professional from Microsoft. Okay, so let's do this, and I'll do it this way. So there is a big thank you, and I thank you, Microsoft, for doing this and recognizing our efforts. And then what we've got here, so I'll try and do it this way so you can see it firsthand. I've got a certificate, laminated certificate there. You can see it. At the back, I can either hang it or just keep it somewhere. It's signed by Satya, the CEO of Microsoft, which is great. I've got something from him now to claim. And it does say it's my name. So this was 1st of January when I received the email. That was 1st of January US time for us in Australia. It was 2nd of January. It says Most Valuable Professionals MVP, my name, Prashant Shukla, business applications. So although all my videos were for PowerApps and PowerAutomate, it comes under a category called business applications, which also include Dynamics 365. And it also says we recognize and value your exceptional contributions and commitment to technical communities worldwide. By sharing your real-world expertise and technical skills, you demonstrate outstanding technical community leadership. Thank you. Thank you. So there goes my certificate. And then it's actually here, it's also a lot of things are written on this box itself. I don't know what it is, but it says, we're pleased to present you with the Microsoft MVP Award 2020-21. And then it talks about who this award is given to. Then it talks about some benefits you get as an MVP. And then it talks about if I have any questions, I can reach out to a specific email ID, or Twitter, or the blog. Okay, so along with that, I also received, there's a name badge. So that's a name badge I received. It shows my MVP ID, my year, my name, and my category. So that's that. And then there is this label pin. So I'll just get it out. It says there's this label pin. I don't know how do we get this out? Okay. So it was like a magnet. So that's my label pin. It says MVP and the year. So that's that. Keep it there. Okay. What's next is, so there's this huge box here, and I'm just opening it. And in this box, I can see there's a ring which tells me the year of the MVP, 2020-21. So I'm just guessing that for your first year, you get this trophy. So that's the trophy. So for your first year, you get that. And if you continue to get renewed, I think they will then just send you the ring so you can keep just sticking in. But what I'm gonna do now is try to get it out. So that's my what? It says, we recognize and value your exceptional contributions to the technical communities worldwide, and it shows you the MVP, Most Valuable Professional award. And I think this is what I've seen in other videos as well. What they do is they just put it right here. So there it is, my first year as an MVP. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you're aspiring to be one, I hope and wish you luck that you get it soon. If you have any comments, any suggestions, any ideas about my next series, please comment in the comment section. Thank you so much, guys. Have a great day.